Hadin gajing lap ya kamet jong weu Khynnah ha ka step jong ka khandai turik risau arhajar arpusan harut ka surok hajan ka shnong maupan na kaliang superintendent of police UBah Vivek Syiem ulawan poi mar syakane ka jaka bantok kiat ha ka bayadei bat kane ka jingklat jong neu Khynnah habakran syakilat pathai khubor Vivek Syiem ula Pyntikna hadin ka jingwat banyak ha ka tei ka jaka ba kamet yap ka balalap ka dei jong teu Khynnah ubalah Riewsniew karta ubala tip kerteng kumukur shan bor khar mudai ubala ja men henen gajan mit nakasnong nong ra lumar bo shushu Vivek Syiem ula ong bala UBah bala Jingshah Pynïap daki Riewsniew yaw neu Khynnah badia kamet jong neu Khynnah kilawan ban bret syakatei ka jaka shushu Vivek Syiem ula ong bala UBah bala Jingshah Pynïap daki Riewsniew yaw neu Khynnah badia kamet jong neu Khynnah kilawan ban bret syakatei ka jaka shushu ki pulit kila penlong ke jing tokin badia kamet jong neu Khynnah lara banle postmortem shani grim hospital Shillong badru nakaliang jong ki pulit kidang penlong shushu ke jing tokit ke babnya halor ke jing yap jong neu hebret.
Is it confirmed yet that the body of the 7-year-old missing?
Yes, it is a boy of the 7-year-old boy who went missing from Lumbarbo, Nongra, and all teams are here. CSU, FSL from Nongtsong, Maudian Ïing, SP's office, special cell, all here in the PO. It is a confirmed case of homicide. We will be registering a case and investigating on the matter.
Was there any mark in his body that points toward being a murder?
Yes, I said
assault on himself, physical injuries.
All indications of it being a homicide. Postmortem will give a clearer picture of the kind of injury. From then on, we will be able to proceed with our investigation.
How do you see it? Is it a coincidence that two missing cases now would found to be dead? Is it a coincidence or whether anything?
Right now, I cannot see a connection. It could be an isolated case because the accused of the first case has already been ascertained and identified. But nonetheless, we will actually investigate and find out everything into the matter.
Will the SIT investigate into this also?
We will sit down, and this also will warrant the requirement of an SIT because it is a child who has been murdered, and an SIT where many expertise are there, many officers are involved, has always borne fruit. So there's all likelihood of an SIT being formed.
Probably this incident has created concerns among citizens. How do you view this situation?
See, it is a matter of concern. It pains all of us, and from such incidents we should draw lessons that we should number one, children have to be looked after upon, monitored. Number two is that we should take precautionary measures of having CCTVs lighting the area, children loitering around. Somebody should, be it from local stakeholders or anybody, should actually see that a child actually is moving around, inform 112, which is our emergency number, so that we can take necessary action, take them to childline and all that, identify the parents or guardians.
One last question. During your primary function, was the murder committed here only, or the body was dumped?
We can't say, but by the look of it, I think the body was placed out here only. Thank you.
Thank you.